Hello everyone, this is Phoebe. Today, take one visit to our factory, Shenyang EZD. Okay, let's go. This is the first floor. As we can see some CNC machines, and they can cutting all kinds of material, welding and polish. 3-day sample finish, 7-day bulk science finish, 0.1 millimeter level precision, materials all can produce. Cost reduce with good prices and good quality. This is second floor, mainly for parts installation, painting, UV printing and packing. This is the third floor, mainly for working for office and simple showroom. Okay, let's go. This is our design team and technology manager. We can help you to solve project design and produce. We have professional design team can help you to confirm all signs that you needed and more suitable for your building. Only design belong to you. Our professional technology manager can help you to create those special design. We are in Shenyang City, Liaoning Province. We are Shenyang EZD sign. Looking forward working with you. Goodbye.